Welcome to the Bee Cabin. I'm Mike Ryan, one of the Best Bee Brothers. Introducing the Total Bee-Fense Kit from Best Bee Brothers. Picture this, a sunny day, perfect picnic with your loved ones, and the joy of nature all around. But suddenly, territorial carpenter bees start dive bombing and turn your peaceful day into a chaotic frenzy. Don't let this happen to you. Best Bee Brothers has the solution you need. Introducing the Total Bee-Fense Kit from Best Bee Brothers. Protect your family, your home, and your peace of mind. If you see carpenter bee holes around your home, fence, barn, or shed, you need this product. First, we have the Bee-Fense Shield. This specially formulated all-natural carpenter bee spray repellent creates an invisible barrier keeping bees at bay without harming them or the environment. Next up is our unique plug corks. These go into the hole and the bees can't chew through them. But that's not all. We also have the Bee Destroyer Stake. So how do you use these? Let me demonstrate with this board since I've filled all my holes around the property already. Oh look, here's a bee in one of the holes. I just got this from one of my traps, but I wanted to show you kind of the approximate size. So if you find a hole, first spray the carpenter bee hole 3 to 4 times to keep bees away. If bees are active, you might want to spray it at night when they're less active, or spray it and then wait 4 to 5 minutes for them to leave. Then insert the Bee Destroyer Stick into the hole as far as you can and move it around to destroy the larvae inside. Finally, pull out the stake, use your cork, and place it into the hole firmly. Once pressed in, those bees can't get in or out. Some people can even cut this off to make it more flush with the wood. That's an option as well. If you have carpenter bees, if you have questions about our carpenter bee traps or how to take care of carpenter bees, visit bestbeebrothers.com where you can learn all about carpenter bees and see all of our great natural pest control products. Thanks for visiting the Bee Cabin today. I'm Mike Ryan.